In this video, let's talk about how to use the Bank of America Business Advantage account. Now, if you already have this account, you can access this feature, but if you don't, you need to first of all create one. And once you have created your account, basically this is a platform or it is a centralized hub for your business deposit, payrolls, as well as merchant services. So the first feature that you are able to use within this is you'll be able to link all of your business tools. For example, you'll be able to integrate the QuickBooks or Xero into this platform. Also, you'll be able to enroll into the mobile check deposit. Secondly, you'll also be able to avoid the monthly maintenance fee, which is roughly around $16 per month. So you'll be able to waive these fees that you get within your account by spending at least $250 of your net purchase, or you'll need to maintain a balance of $5,000. So these are the few benefits that you get and the way that you use the Bank of America Business Advantage account. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.